Hello, today I will show you how we can measure our sample in spectrophotometer. With our model for the model for our instrument today is UV-1800PC spectrophotometer, and here we can put our sample. But here in the first we will add the standard liquid for our sample. This is the reference liquid. For example, our sample here is water. Okay, and in the computer we will start the software. And here we will connect with the computer. The instrument is the computer. Then we will, here from this one, we will make a scale for our samples for scanning from 1000, for example, to 200 and to nanometer, and click OK. And here we will make the scanning for the reference liquid for our sample. It means the make calibration or the baseline for our samples. And here we will check it again for 1200. Make OK. Then the instrument, it will start to make a scanning for the reference liquid. If you use water, then add water. If you use oil, then you will add oil, or any another solution. You must add it first and make the calibration for it for this liquid. Some instrument like this instrument, you can add the reference liquid in beside your samples. And some instrument, it only have ability to add one samples, but we will use one covet for all of our samples. And also for measure the reference samples for us. Okay, now we are waiting approximately for 1 minute, and here the machine, it will make a scanning from 1000 nanometer to 200 nanometer for the reference liquid. After that, okay, we will add our sample. For our sample, we will start to measure our samples. For example, here we will prepare first the standard solution from our samples here. And if you will measure, start from low concentration to high concentration. And for our experiment here, for fermentation process, we will start from the old one to new one, because in our experiment, for example, we will try to measure the ability of microorganisms to consume or to immobilize some dye from the media, and we will see the result of our experiment here. Okay, here the machine, the instrument is finished now. Okay, now you can add the standard, please. Okay, throw out the liquid and clean it very well. After that, you will add this covet. Is quartz covet, and we can use only 100 micrometer in the covet. Okay, then now here you can press in this button to start measurement or start scanning for our sample here. Now, okay, the machine will start the measurement and scanning for 1000 nanometer to 200 nanometer, and we will see, for example, here. Have a look here. And we will see the peak